It's that time of year where we're starting to see a lot of problems in lawns, whether it's stress or insects or disease. It's very difficult to determine which is the culprit that's causing problems out in your yard. This is a sod webworm moth, and the moths do a little zigzaggy pattern over your lawn, deposit eggs out there. When those eggs hatch, usually in August and September, they look like that, and that's with the larvae. They'll be nibbling on your lawn. They leave big yellow spots that just increase in size over time. It's very difficult to diagnose insect damage compared to disease damage because it looks very, very similar. And in most cases, stress, where it's not getting enough water, or a disease like this, which is called dollar spot, or insect damage, whether it's grubs or billbugs or sod webworms, it's difficult to decide which culprit is doing the damage. And so at Logan Extermination, we can help you diagnose and identify what the problem is, and also treat your lawn to take care of whatever problem it might be, whether it's insects or disease, or just helping you reset your sprinklers so they can do the right coverage. So at Logan Extermination, we have the expertise, the experience, and the know-how to help you solve your problems, whether it's for your lawn or whether it's insects around the yard as well too. At Logan Extermination, we can help you take care of those problems.